Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu Language Online. In the last video, we have learned negative and interrogative sentences in uncertain future tense. Today we will learn past tense in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. Okay, before going to simple past tense, let us learn few compound verbs in Tulu. Example, Moke malpunu means to love. As you see in the above example, we have two words in Tulu for one English word. This is what we call compound verbs. The second word is always a verb. The first word can be a noun, an adjective, or a past adverbial participle. To make verb conjugations, we can apply the same rule here. In all cases, we need to change the second word, not the first one. Moke malpuve, I love. Moke malpe, I will probably love. Now let us see some of the compound verbs we use in daily conversation. Maapu malpunu, forgiving. Kopa malpunu, getting angry. Vela malpunu, working. Upadra malpunu or upadra kurpini, disturbing someone. Kebi kurpini, listening. Naadpattunu, finding out or discovering. Veripattunu, chasing. Kanakattunu, dreaming. Madime apini, marrying. Dakadu padunu, losing something. Dakadu popini, something being lost. Kondarpini, bringing. Kondopini, taking something away or taking something to another place. Kondu is the past adverbial participle of the auxiliary verb konu. Konu means hold. It is used in forming compound verbs and also in reflexive verbs. In common dialect of Tulu, these verbs are modified as follows. Kondarpini is changed to kanapini, means bringing. Kondopini is changed to konopini, means to take away or to take something from one place to another. The verb kana or kondar is conjugated same as bar, and the verb kono or kondo is conjugated as same as po. Kondarpe or kanape means I bring, I will bring. Kondope or konope means I take it away or I will take it away. Kondaruve or kanave means I will probably bring. Kondove or konove means I will probably take it away. Kondarpuje or kanapuje, I do not bring or I will not bring. Kondopuje or konopuje, I do not take it away or I will not take it away. Kondaraya or kanaya means I will probably not bring. Kondovaya or konovaya means I will probably not take it away. Okay, that's all about compound verbs. Now let us learn how to conjugate verbs in simple past tense. If you remember, in simple present tense and future tense, we had two different conjugations, one for class A and one for class B verbs. However, in simple past, we have three conjugations. First one is verbs ending in pu. Second one is verbs ending in n. Third one is all other verbs except verbs ending in pu and verbs ending in n. Before learning each one, let me show you personal endings in simple past tense. Personal endings in simple past tense are same as simple present tense or future tense. Third person neuter singular is an exception. So first person singular yan. Personal ending is a. Second person singular e. Personal ending is a. Third person masculine singular a or imbe. Personal ending is a. Third person feminine singular al or molu. Personal ending is al. Third person neuter singular au or undu. Personal ending is do. In simple present tense, it is undu. In uncertain future tense, it is u. In simple past tense, it is do. So only third person neuter singular personal ending changes in different tenses. All other personal endings are same in all the tenses. First person plural nama or enkulu personal ending is a. Second person plural nikulu or iru personal ending is ar. Third person human plural akulu, aru, mokulu or meer personal ending is er. Third person non-human plural aikulu or nekulu personal ending is a. Okay, as I said, there are three types of verb conjugations in simple past tense. One is verbs ending in pu, verbs ending in n, and all other verbs except verbs ending in pu and n. First, let us learn how to conjugate pu ending verbs. To conjugate verbs ending in pu in simple past tense, just replace pu with tu sound and then add personal ending. Okay, now let us conjugate the verb bulipu. Bulipu means cry. This is a pu ending verb. So bulipu in past tense it changes bulitu plus personal ending. Personal ending for yan is a. Bulitu plus a. Bulita means I cried. Yan bulita, I cried. E bulita, you cried. I or imbe bulite, he cried. Alu or molu bulital, she cried. Au or undu bulitandu, it cried. Nama or enkulu bulita, we cried. Iru or nikulu bulitar, you cried. Akulu, mokulu, aru or meer bulitir, they cried. Nekulu or aikulu bulita, they cried. Okay, all the pu ending verbs are conjugated in the same way in simple past tense. Now let us learn how to conjugate nu ending verbs. To conjugate verbs ending in nu in simple past tense, add do sound to the root verb and then add personal ending. So it is root verb plus do plus personal ending. Okay, let us conjugate the verb tinu. Tinu means eat. It is a nu ending verb. Tinu plus do plus personal ending. Personal ending for yana is a. Tinu plus do plus a. Tinda means I ate. Yanu tinda, I ate. E tinda, you ate. I or imbe tinde, he ate. Alu or molu tindal, she ate. Au or undu tindandu, it ate. In spoken Tulu, it is just pronounced as tindu instead of tindandu. Nama or enkulu tinda, we ate. Iru or nikulu tindar, you ate. Akulu, mokulu, aru or meru tindir, they ate. Nekulu or aikulu tinda, they ate. Okay, all the verbs ending in nu are conjugated in the same way in simple past tense. Third one is all other verbs except pu ending and nu ending verbs. To conjugate all other verbs in simple past tense except pu ending and nu ending verbs, add e sound to the root verb and then add personal ending. So it is root verb plus e plus personal ending. Let us conjugate the verb patir. Patir means speak. Patir plus e plus personal ending. Personal ending for yana is a. Patir plus e plus a. Patirya means I spoke. Yanu patirya, I spoke. E patirya, you spoke. I or imbe patirye, he spoke. Alu or molu patiriyal, she spoke. Au or undu patirindu, it spoke. In spoken Tulu, it is just pronounced as patirindu. Nama or enkulu patirya, we spoke. Iru or nikulu patiriyar, you spoke. Akulu, Mukulu, Aru or Mir, Patiriyar, they spoke. Nekulu or Aikulu, Patiriya, they spoke. Okay, all the verbs except pu ending and nu ending are conjugated in the same way in simple past tense. But there are few irregular verbs. Baru means come. Sai means die. Bei means be cooked or be boiled. These are irregular verbs in Tulu. These verbs are conjugated by adding t sound and not e like other verbs. So these are not pu ending verbs, but still these verbs are conjugated by adding t sound instead of e. Baru plus t plus personal ending. Sai plus t plus personal ending. Bei plus t plus personal ending. Personal ending for yana is a. Baru plus t plus a, vatta means I came. Sai plus tu plus a, saita means I died. Bei plus tu plus a, beita means I am cooked or I am boiled. So personal ending for au or undu is ndu. Bei plus tu plus ndu, beitandu. It is cooked or it is boiled. Yanu batta, I came. E batta, you came. I or imbe batte, he came. Alu or molu, battal, she came. Au or undu, battandu, it came. Nama or enkulu, batta, we came. Iru or nikulu, battar, you came. Akulu, mukulu, aru or mir, battir, they came. Nekulu or aikulu, batta, they came. Yanu saita, I died. E saita, you died. I or imbe, saite, he died. Alu or molu, saital, she died. Au or undu, saitandu, it died. Nama or enkulu, saita, we died. Iru or nikulu, saitar, you died. Akulu, mokulu, aru or mir, saitir, they died. Nekulu or aikulu, saita, they died. Okay, now let us conjugate few more verbs in simple past tense. Uppu or ippu means be. This is a pu ending verb. So pu in the root verb changes to tu and then add personal ending. So ippu changes to ittu. Personal ending for yana is a. Ittu plus a, itta. I was. Yana itta, I was. E itta, you were. I or imbe, itte, he was. Alu or molu, ittal, she was. Au or undu, ittundu, it was. Nama or enkulu, itta, we were. Nikulu or iru, ittar, you were. Akulu, aru, mukulu or meer, ittir, they were. Aikulu or nekulu, itta, they were. Next one is kenu. Kenu means ask, hear or listen. Let us consider it as ask in this example. This is a nu ending verb. So root verb plus do plus personal ending. Kenu plus do plus personal ending. Personal ending for yana is a. Kenu plus du plus a kenda. I ask. Yanu kenda. I ask. E kenda. You ask. I or imbe kende. He asked. Alu or molu kendal. She asked. Au or undu kendendu. It asked. In spoken Tulu, it's just pronounced kendu. Nama or Inkulu, Kenda, we asked. Nikulu or Ir, Kender, you asked. Akulu, Aru, Mukulu or Mer, Kender, they asked. Aikulu or Nekulu, Kenda, they asked. Next one is Po. Po means go. This is not a pu ending or nu ending verb. So we have to conjugate by adding e suffix to the root verb. Root verb plus e plus personal ending. Po plus e plus personal ending. Personal ending for Yana is a. Po plus e plus a. Po ya. I went. Yana po ya. I went. E po ya. You went. I or imbe po ye. He went. Alu or molu poyal. She went. Au or undu point. It went. In spoken Tulu, it's just pronounced as pondu. Au or undu pondu. It went. Nama or inkulu poya. We went. Nikulu or ir poyer. You went. Akulu aru mukulu or mir poyer. They went. Aikulu or nekulu poya. They went. Next one is kana. Kana means bring. This verb is derived from the compound verb kondubar. So it is conjugated same as baru. Baru is a irregular verb. So kondubatta changes to kondatta and then konatta and finally it's changed to kanatta. I brought. Yanu kanatta. I brought. E kanatta. You brought. I or imbe kanatte. He brought. Alu or molu kanattal. She brought. Au or undu kanattandu. It brought. Nama or inkulu kanatta. We brought. Nikulu or ir kanattar. You brought. Akulu aru mukulu or mir kanatte. They brought. Aikulu or nekulu kanatta. They brought. Next one is kono. Kono means take something away. This verb is derived from compound verb kondupo. So it is conjugated as po. Kondupoya changes to kondoya and it finally changed to konoya. I took it away. Yanu konoya. I took it away. E konoya. You took it away. I or imbe konoye. He took it away. Alu or molu konoyal. She took it away. Au or undu konondu. It took it away. Nama or inkulu konoya. We took it away. Ikulu or ir konoyar. You took it away. Akulu, aru, mukulu or mir konoyer. They took it away. Aikulu or nekulu konoya. They took it away. Okay, now let us see some example sentences in simple past tense. Jokulu salek poyer. Children went to school. Enklena illag binner batter. Guests came to our house. Yanu vanji gante kaate. I waited for 1 hour. Yanu Tulu kalte. I learned Tulu. Enna vanasandu or Yanu unde. I had my lunch or dinner. Aye illadu itte. He was at home. E kukku tinda. You ate a mango. Aru enku kakaji barayir. He or she wrote a letter to me. Enkulu posa illu kattiya. We built a new house. Alena ungila dakadu pondu. Her ring is lost. Alu ungilan dakadu padiyal. She lost the ring. He enanu madata. You forgot me. Enkulu tudenu kadata. We crossed the river. Portu kantandu or Surya kantandu. The sun has set. Mullu kantandu. Thorn pricked. Aru meenu kanattir. He or she brought fish. Aru balenu pidaikonoyer. He or she took the child outside. Yanu bakil paadiye. I closed the door. Yan bakil dette. I opened the door. Aye doctor aye. He became a doctor. Aayegu bejarandu. He felt sad. Nikku kushi andu. You felt happy. Enku koda bela ittandu. I had work yesterday. Nuppu veittandu. The rice is cooked. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next video, we will learn negative and interrogative in simple past tense.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.